So this is my domino rally that I made like 2 minutes ago, and I got this one one's gonna fall, hit that one, and it's gonna use it. Here, it's gonna go 1 and 2, yeah, 2 domino lines, and they're going up like that. And then I got, and this is the first pattern of the domino rally. And then I got another 3 in a row one. I got this 3 in a row one as well. And I got these 2 dominoes next to each other. And then I got this cool trick that I did in Domino Rally 1. And then I got these ones a little bit apart from each other from that. Look. And then I got these ones going out, in, and then a long curve. And then I got 2 dominoes next, and then 1 and 2 dominoes next, and then the end is no one's domino. So, ready?
Yep.
Steady, go! Oh, it didn't work. Oh no.
Oh no. That was our first domino rally fail.
Alright.
But that's okay. We can make another one, right?
Yeah, we're not posting this.
We're not posting this?
Yeah.
Heavish 5 posts her fails.
Well, we're not going to post our fails.
I'll tell you what, I'll save it and we can redo this one, but I think we should post it after we post the good one to show that we had a fail. What do you think? I'll save it and we'll see. Okay?
No, let's not do a fail one.
All right.